What if I told you there's a YouTube channel earning thousands of dollars every month just by posting AI-generated animated dogs? No real footage, no talking head, just stunning 3D animation, wild storytelling, and viral short videos. Welcome to BlooPups, the futuristic world where chaos meets karma and entertainment meets artificial intelligence. Stick around, because today we're diving into how this faceless AI channel built a digital empire. BlooPups is not your ordinary animation channel. It's a fully AI-powered universe filled with 3D animal characters, wild adventures, and cinematic visuals. Created in 2025, BlooPups has already gained over 1.4 million subscribers and posted just 47 videos, yet it's dominating YouTube Shorts. Their world features a golden puppy named Blue, along with fierce animal rivals, and a mix of action, fantasy, and humor. Every short feels like a scene from a blockbuster movie, but made entirely by AI tools. Each video is a masterpiece of AI animation and storytelling. From neon-colored science labs and battle arenas to tropical party scenes, BlooPups combines Mid-Journey-style visuals, AI voiceovers, and Unreal Engine-level effects to craft unforgettable moments. No human faces, no talking head. Everything is generated using AI art, 3D design, and smart editing. This proves that in 2025, creativity doesn't need cameras, just imagination and the right tools. Now let's talk numbers, because this is where it gets crazy. With 1.42 million subscribers and shorts that rack up millions of views, BlooPups is estimated to earn between $5,000 and $18,000 per month just from YouTube. But that's only the beginning. They also drive traffic to BlooPups.com, where they're building a brand universe, potentially involving NFTs, digital collectibles, and branded merchandise. In other words, BlooPups isn't just a YouTube channel, it's becoming a digital franchise. What's most impressive is how this channel blends AI storytelling and marketing. Every character, every scene, and every effect looks designed for maximum virality, making it both fun and futuristic. It's the perfect example of how AI can turn imagination into income, even without showing your face or voice. BlooPups represents the next generation of creators, digital first, AI-driven, and visually unstoppable. So, the next time you scroll through YouTube and see an animated puppy in a sci-fi lab or a tiger wearing sunglasses, remember, you're not just watching entertainment. You're witnessing the future of AI-powered storytelling. BlooPups is proof that with the right mix of creativity and technology, anyone can build a multi-thousand-dollar YouTube brand, no camera needed. If you love discovering channels like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI success stories.